the notes. कि मैम ये notes भेजो, मैम ये notes भेजो. Is it good you don't write in your fair book? Right?
मैम
All of you
मैंने तो लिख दिया है.
yes, all of you should copy the notes the same day in your fair book. Is it clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम.
Otherwise, at the last moment, if you ask me, I'm not going to send you. That means what? You want to see and write from the fair book or from the PDF. That's not good. Is it clear to everyone?
यस
Yes, ma'am.
मैम.
Everyone has to copy the notes on the same day in your fair notes. Clear to all of you?
यस मैम.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
Now, today we are going to start a new lesson. Okay? Anything first before starting the lesson, I like to know from you people that what do you know by the meaning by this what do you know the meaning by what is meant by pollution? Can anyone say me?
What, ma'am?
Pollution. What is the word meaning pollution? Can anyone
मैम
say
Ma'am,
me?
and pollution.
पोल्यूशन मीन्स धुआं जो बीमार करता है.
Yes, very good. Like pollution means, I want you people to answer in English. Can you do that? Favor
मैम
me.
पोल्यूशन मीन्स स्मोक those who
Very good.
makes us ill.
That makes us ill, uncomfortable.
That
That makes us ill, uncomfortable. Yes or no?
that make us ill uncomfortable. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Uncomfortable in any situation that what makes us uncomfortable, right? Now, what all
Yeah.
type of pollutions are there then around us? Can anyone say me?
Ma'am, pollution contains smoke, carbon dioxide, and
Very
some
good.
and chemical
Mhm.
components.
Chemical components, very good. Okay. Some types of, for example, so pollution, which type of pollutions are there?
Ma'am, noise pollution and
Hmm.
air pollution.
Noise pollution, very good. Absolutely right. Noise pollution, air pollution. Then anyone else?
Wind pollution.
Huh?
Wind. Uh,
Sorry. Wind pollution नहीं बेटा, air pollution में आ गया वो. हाँ? और कोई? Yes. Anyone? Any else pollution? Land pollution
मैम
you
दो
can say.
मिनट रुको ना.
हाँ
दो
बोलो बोलो.
मिनट मैं अभी
Ma'am, what is the
सोच
meaning
के
of
बताता हूँ.
land pollution?
I'll explain you all pollutions, okay? But first, right now, I want to know from you people, कि what do you mean by pollution, and what type of pollutions are there around you? Whatever you understand. After that, I'll present my screen. First, I want to make you introduction about pollution. Who will say me? Yes, Ayaz, say. Yes, Ayaz. Can you try?
मैम 2 मिनट.
I am waiting, but don't make me wait till full period.
No,
ओके
ma'am, I
मैम.
don't know.
Okay. Anyone else would like to say?
व्हाट मैम.
कोई और बताना चाहेगा? Anyone else would like to say what is pollution? No problem. चलो. Here I am going to start a
मैम
new.
मैं
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
मुझे
Say fast. Say fast.
वाटर पोल्यूशन.
Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely right. Water pollution. Then
एयर सॉलिड वेस्ट पोल्यूशन.
yes, waste pollution. Very good. Absolutely right.
एंड नॉइज पोल्यूशन.
And noise pollution. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. So, my dear students, today I'm going to start a new lesson. Okay. And the lesson name is, any idea?
पोल्यूशन.
Yes, absolutely right. Environment and pollution. Okay. What is the name of the lesson?
एनवायरमेंट
Environment
एंड
Environment
पोल्यूशन.
and
and
pollution.
pollution. In this
Environment
lesson,
and pollution.
yes, this is a very interesting lesson, boys. And in this lesson, my dear students, we are going to learn all things about environment around us and the way it is polluted. As an Indian citizen, what is our duty to protect this environment? Yes. And as an Indian citizen, what are the ways with which we can protect our environment, our surroundings in which we are living? Yes or no? So we are going to learn everything about pollution and environment in this lesson. A very interesting lesson it is. Okay. Yes. So let us see what type of pollutions we find around us. Yes, Ayas, can you see these three? As you said me, Ayas and Ahad, who said?
Ahad.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
So, yes,
uh,
yes, beta, speak. Bolo. Yes,
land throwing garbage on land, throwing which,
yes, throwing the waste material, throwing the garbage here and
yes,
there. है ना? All this is very
yes,
all this is the types of pollution around us, right? We should not pollute everything around us. Now, air, water, and land pollution are the basic pollutions which are found around us. है ना? For example,
yes, ma'am.
throwing garbage on the land, plastic waste on the land. है ना? All this is what?
Yes,
All this is what?
this
Pollution,
is
land
Yes,
pollution,
pollution.
that is land pollution. है ना? All this is land pollution. One
land
should
pollution.
Yes, one should not do such type of pollutions anywhere around us, right? We will understand slowly and gradually in each of the topic we will cover that how the land pollution happens and how it can be protected. Is it clear, my dear students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then we will see water pollution, industrial waste, yes, thrown in water bodies. That is water
Garbage
pollution.
thrown in seas and
Yes,
garbage
absolutely.
thrown in seas and ocean.
Yes, garbage thrown in seas and oceans. But आपको पता है कि खाली गार्बेज थ्रो करने से ही पॉल्यूशन नहीं होता है वाटर बॉडीज में वाटर पॉल्यूशन तो एक और तरीके से
हाँ,
होता है
धुआं से भी pollution हो,
हाँ एक और
धुएं से
तरीके से भी होता है
होता है।
सपोज अगर अहद और आयाज अगर वॉशरूम जाए और वहां पे टैप ओपन ही रख दे हाथ धो के तो दैट इज ऑल्सो वाटर पॉल्यूशन
Pollution.
है ना भूल से ही अगर आयाज ने टैप क्लोज करना भूल गए so that is water pollution. Means what? You are wasting water, no? Yes or no?
Yes,
है
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
So that is also a kind of water pollution, no?
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So unknowingly and knowingly भले हम इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट इंडस्ट्रियल में नहीं कर रहे हैं वेस्ट बट knowingly and unknowingly हम भी एक तरीके से pollution के we are wasting the water somewhere or the other places so we are also responsible for water pollution. Is it or is it not?
is it
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
है ना so one should not waste water unnecessarily, right? One should not throw garbage here and there in the water and our surroundings, right? Then we'll see
Yes, ma'am.
yes, then we will see the other ways to stop water pollution, right? Ways to stop water pollution. Apart from that we will also see uh, how air pollution is caused. Yes, how air pollution is caused. Okay, right? Like for example, smoke coming out of the chimneys of factories causes air pollution. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So to avoid such things, we will learn all the things about how to stop such type of pollutions. Okay. Now environment. As I have already introduced you. Yes. What is environment? Who will say me? What do you mean by
This
environment?
अपने atmosphere, it is called environment.
Yes, I want you to answer in English.
Atmosphere of our surrounding is called environment.
Very good. Yes, any other answer?
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, in our environment, there are four layers. There are
Huh?
four things. One is hydrosphere, which
Hmm?
is water,
Hmm?
and
Very
then
good.
atmosphere.
Very
Then
good.
atmosphere, that weather takes changes in atmosphere, and lithosphere means land around
Very
about
good.
biosphere.
I'll explain you all the spheres, okay? Now, all the living things, very good, Ayas. All the living things around us, right, comprises our environment. What does it comprise, beta? It comprises our environment. Comprises matlab what? It includes in our environment, okay? It consists of,
Yes.
yes, it consists of both the things. What does it consist, beta? It consists of both the things. Both the things matlab what? Both the thing.
Living and
Yes,
non-living.
absolutely right. Living and non-living things.
Non-living.
It consists of both the things, that is living and non-living things.
Non-living.
Okay. Now living things may what will come in living things and what will come in non-living things. I want some examples from you students. Come on, who will say me?
Living things mean human beings, tree,
Huh? Very good.
animals,
Very good.
birds,
Huh? Very good.
plants,
Very good. Living things means all these things. Yes, very good.
etc.
Ma'am, can
Yes,
I
I
say?
ask. You can also try. Say.
Yes, ma'am. In living things, trees, plants, human beings, animals, birds, and microbes.
Yes, bacteria and all small minor creatures. Yes, very good. Absolutely right. And some examples, if I want, of non-living things.
Chair,
Yes, ma'am. Non-living things.
Yes.
telescope,
Yes, absolutely right.
microscope,
Yes,
etc.
absolutely right.
etc.
Very good. The non-living things are the things which are around us, which cannot move. है ना? Which can not move, which will not cry if we beat them. है ना? If I beat you, you will cry. If I hurt an animal, it will also show it anger. है ना? So all these things are called what? Living things.
Living things.
Yes, your pen, your pencil, which does not grow. Yes, which does not grow. Or you can say the things which does not require the elements of the environment, that is air, water, food, sunlight. है ना? Your pen, if it is very cold, you do not need to cover your pen with a sweater. Right? Means what? कि there is no उस पे वातावरण का या कोई असर नहीं होता है. Yes or no? It will some things, some non living things, बेटा आयास, freezes मतलब कि वो ठंडा हो जाता है, but that does not mean कि वो living thing है. Understood? So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, so on living things, our atmosphere, our environment जो है, that is made up of basically consist of two things. कौन कौन से है वो दो things? हाँ? Which
Living and non-living.
was living and non-living things, right? Now, basically, it has again four elements. Okay, कौन से four elements पता है वो? Hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. Now, first of all, hydrosphere. Yes, what is the meaning of hydrosphere? Any idea about it?
Yes, ma'am. Hydrosphere means water bodies, or water is called hydrosphere. Water bodies like seas and oceans and lakes and that all means hydrosphere.
Absolutely right. I was absolutely right. Yes, all boys listen carefully. All the water bodies around us, है ना? चाहे वो सी हो, ओशन हो, लेक हो, है ना? तो वो जो भी है around us, that is hydrosphere. Or say, or understood? That is what hydrosphere. All the living all the water organisms, all the water bodies around us is hydrosphere. What it is, beta?
Hydrosphere.
Understood? All this is hydrosphere. Now, what is atmosphere then?
Ma'am, atmosphere has
The
five
layer of the
layers.
earth that covers the sun rays is called atmosphere.
Sun rays, Khali?
Ma'am,
No, 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 no,
ma'am,
no.
atmosphere is called the blanket of the earth, and
Very
it
good.
has five layers.
Very good.
And
Absolutely right.
The names of the five layers are
Troposphere,
troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere,
thermos,
thermosphere, and exosphere. And
Absolutely right.
the
Acha.
ozone, it contains ozone layer, ozone which protects us from harmful rays. So it is in a stratosphere, the second layer of atmosphere,
Absolutely
and it
right.
keeps the earth warm.
ओके नाउ बिफोर दैट बेटा एटमॉस्फेयर वी विल अंडरस्टैंड अच्छा आपको ये पता है कि एटमॉस्फेयर यू सेड मी दैट देयर आर ऑल दिस लेयर्स एंड ऑल दिस बट हैव यू एनी आइडिया you can listen me hello you can
Yes, ma'am.
listen me yes boys can you listen
yes,
hello
yes, yes,
can you listen
Yes,
me
ma'am.
yes,
is it you can listen me ayaz you can listen me
Yes,
yes,
ma'am. We can listen you.
can you listen me again I'm asking you
yes,
sure
yes.
now beta
Yes, ma'am.
yes, now I asked what I meant to say you. Why I asked you, can you listen me? Can you listen me? You know, that is because of atmosphere that you can listen me. Understood? That is because of atmosphere. You know, there are because of atmosphere only noise can be heard to each other. You will study this in a higher classes. आप बड़े classes में ये सब पढ़ोगे. But बिकॉज देखो आपको एक और एग्जांपल देती हूँ जैसे मैंने कैन यू लिसन मी दिया ना वैसा ही और एक एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ कि फॉर एग्जांपल कभी बारिश होती है कि नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
है ना तो बारिश होती है तो क्या होता है कि आपके घर पे अगर टाटा स्काई है या जीटीपीएल है तो क्या आएगा टीवी बंद हो जाएगा कि
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
तो
Yes, ma'am.
तो तब क्या लिखा हुआ आता है स्क्रीन पे कुछ आइडिया है
Ma'am, signal is not connecting.
हेलो
तो
मैम,
अगेन दैट हाँ बोलो
मैम नो सिग्नल लिखा हुआ आता है।
हाँ तो नो सिग्नल लिखा हुआ आता है तो उसका मतलब क्या हुआ खराब हवा और भी ये भी लिखा होता है कि खराब हवा हवा खराब वातावरण के कारण आप ठीक से देख नहीं पाओगे ऐसा कुछ लिखा हुआ आता है ना तो अगेन तो वो कहाँ पे चेंजेस हुआ एटमोस्फियर में चेंजेस हुआ कि नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
है ना तो ऑल दिस इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट बेटा
एटमॉस्फेयर।
हाँ यू अंडरस्टूड माय मीनिंग व्हाई आई सेड यू दिस क्वेश्चंस
यस,
आपको समझ में आया कि मैंने ये दो एग्जांपल्स क्यों दिए
यस,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
of the atmosphere all these things are possible do you understand
यस,
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा फिर फॉर एग्जांपल एयर ऑक्सीजन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड everything which is required for the living organisms again it is available from where beta
एटमॉस्फेयर।
yes absolutely right it is available from the atmosphere right atmosphere is the various layers of the gases as you said us right now the second is the third one is the lithosphere okay why lithosphere lithosphere is the land sphere okay litho is a latin word
लैंड।
what it is a latin word and it means the land okay what does it mean beta my dear students what does it mean लैंड लिथोस्फीयर में जितना भी लैंड है हमारे आसपास है ना तो वो लैंड क्या हुआ लिथोस्फीयर
लिथोस्फीयर।
ओके चाहे वो माउंटेन्स हो चाहे वो प्लेटूज हो अंडरस्टूड चाहे वो कुछ भी हो अराउंड अस दैट इज व्हाट बेटा लिथोस्फीयर इज इट क्लियर
लिथोस्फीयर।
हाँ
यस।
एंड द फोर्थ वन इज द बायोस्फीयर अब आप लोग बोल रहे थे ना आयाज ने भी मुझे बताया बायोस्फीयर मतलब उनको नहीं पता है क्या है पता है किसी को बायोस्फीयर मतलब क्या होता है
नो मैम।
अच्छा चलो मैं बता देती हूँ बायोस्फीयर मतलब ये जो हाइड्रोस्फीयर एटमोस्फियर लिथोस्फीयर है ना
यस,
उन सब का कॉम्बिनेशन ओके ऑल दिस थ्री स्फीयर्स टुगेदर मेक द बायोस्फीयर डू यू अंडरस्टैंड all
यस।
all this sphere hydrosphere atmosphere lithosphere and together make what beta
बायोस्फीयर।
yes they make together the biosphere is it clear
Yes.
Clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, before
Yes,
starting,
ma'am.
yes, before starting this lesson, like to ask you कि मैंने ये spheres के बारे में क्यों आपको बताया पहले?
इसके बारे में
ये सारे spheres, हाइड्रोस्फीयर, एटमॉस्फेयर,
मैम क्योंकि
लिथोस्फीयर,
हमें नहीं समझ में आ रहा था इसीलिए।
हाँ, इसीलिए भी और एक रीजन है क्योंकि हम हाइड्रोस्फीयर मतलब के लैंड को जो पॉल्यूशन करते हैं उसके बारे में समझने वाले हैं, है ना। फिर हम और क्या समझने वाले हैं, वाटर एटमॉस्फेयर को जो पॉल्यूशन करता है उसके बारे में समझने वाले हैं, है ना।
यस।
इसीलिए हमने ये सब अभी समझा, समझे आप?
यस।
ओके। और लास्ट में हम समझेंगे क्या,
पोल लास्ट में
sphere,
कुछ
lithosphere, water sphere and atmosphere,
यस।
right? Yes, I
यस।
agree. Oh, sorry, 1 minute, beta. 1 minute. Yes, I has read beta this paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. All the things around us comprise our environment. It contains of both living and non-living things. It has four elements: hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere.
Hmm. It has four elements: lithosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Understood, all my dear students? Environment के बारे में था.
यस सर।
Yes. Now, who replied? Hassan Kapasi. कौन था वो?
मैम
नकवी
मैं
आगे वसंत.
Okay,
नकवी
Nakwiragi.
आगे हसन।
Okay. Now, first of all, we will see about the atmosphere, the hydrosphere. Okay, the major elements of our environment, which is hydrosphere. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
यस
ma'am. Yes,
मैम।
ma'am. Yeah.
Yes. Now, who will say me? Our planet is what type of planet?
और planet is
Huh? It is known as blue planet.
yes.
Yes or no?
Yes मैम।
Yes, ma'am. Because there is 70% of water in our earth. In
In
our
our
earth.
on our Earth, 70% of water and 30% of land area, means continents and oceans, जो हम सबसे पहले लेसन में लर्न किए थे. यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am. In the first lesson.
है ना,
Yes,
कॉन्टिनेंट्स एंड
ma'am.
ओशंस. अब आपको समझ में आया, भले वो आपके सिलेबस में नहीं था पर फिर भी हमने वो लर्न किया था ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So this type of lesson is very much helpful to us, right? Now the next one we can see, we'll understand about the first part. We'll understand about the hydrosphere. Okay, major elements of the environment, that is the hydrosphere. Okay. Yes, Ayaz, can you read?
Yes, ma'am. Major elements of the environment. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is that part of the Earth's surface which is covered with water. This sphere includes all the water bodies found on Earth. 71 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. That is why the Earth is known as the blue planet.
Yes, that is why.
Without yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is why the Earth's surface is covered with water. That is why the Earth is known as a blue planet. Yes. Then we will also understand more about hydrosphere. But I think, okay, we have to continue in the next class as the time is got over. But did you like the lesson or not, boys?
Yes.
Yes,